Hey, good morning. Good morning. This is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. Just want to give you a quick little look at the high-low 2 template and how we set that up using the 15-minute chart and the NinjaTrader Market Analyzer with custom Bloodhound templates. So the first thing we want to look at with this little trade system is setting a range to trade in. And for that, I use a 15-minute chart and just try to get a picture of the range in that 15-minute time frame. When certain conditions exist, I'll get a bloodhound signal, start moving in that direction. And so that's all you got to know. And then you just simply come in once you get a range and take a distance measurement from the tip to that trend filter. A lot of people will use a pivot. I like to go back to the trend filter. Why? Because that's where price is going, right? So that's the amount of risk I have at any time going towards that location. So that's my destination for the trade. And for a reversal to the mean and an inverted amount for a trend continuation or a measured move. So had this gone up, we would have looked for a measured move of that same distance to the upside. This rolled over. So you've got your distance from the top to the trend filter, giving you your range, and so you can break that down in a smaller time frame. We use a tick chart and set the tick chart for that amount so that you can trade long or short going in that direction. And just to back up and give you an example of this, if you want to, restrict your trades to a time frame, you can, of course, elect to only trade the CME trade hours. So, you can not have to be up all night trading, or just, leave the algo running, wake up with the algo completed, but otherwise just trade the RTH session, however you want to trade it. Sometimes you just want to limit yourself to 8 in the morning to 10 in the morning, whatever you want to do. Once you get the idea set for your trade location, you can then break down to that smaller time frame and either limit the number of entries you want with Blackbird or the amount of risk or a number of other factors in Blackbird and manage the trade. And the idea for this is to be able to do it consistently. So you need a market that has, a higher ATR range like the YM or the NQ. Not so much the E-mini because it doesn't give you these big ranging opportunities like that. But if the market is moving, like gold can move and break its ranges and run for a mile, or, the nat gas or heating oil, once they start moving, they can really take off. This is a great little strategy to trade those volatility range breakouts. So keep an eye out for those. We know what to look for in the trade room. Right, Billy? Come join us. And then either take these trades on a lower time frame on the JATS LRT lines indicator, which we'll also be doing, or this high-low 2 tick chart. And so the high-low 2 is going to be one of the first algos that I'll be running starting February 1st in the trade room. So this definitely will be one of the first algos that we'll start. So good news for that. And come see us in the trade room. Today's not going to be a tradable day, in my opinion, but tomorrow should be a great trade day. So come check us out. Thank you. Bye-bye.